Hello, Mr. Deekshit.
Hello, Mr.
How are you?
Fine.
So, I've asked you to come here to discuss a certain problem that we have in our company.
Yes.
So, we are planning on developing an ERP system for our company and integrating the systems together. So, as you know, we have separate systems for each sectors like production, manufacturing, warehousing, and other functions. I think it is inefficient. What do you think?
As CEO, it's been causing some inefficiency and bottlenecks in our process.
So I think I discussed with some of our team members, board members, and I think BAAN Corporation would provide a best ERP system for our company, and it would be a great solution for our company.
That sounds like solid plan. Have you thought about ERP provider would be the best for Archon Contractors? That's like a solid plan. Have you thought about which ERP provider would be used?
I think I've discussed with some of our team members and board members, and they said BAAN Corporation are providing great ERP systems, and the situation of our company aligns with what they are, the service they are providing. I think it's a great option. What do you think, Mr. Deekshit?
That makes sense. BAAN is a sensible and comparatively better option, and we can opt that.
And I think we should host a meeting regarding this ERP system, and we should consult with all the team members. What do you think?
Absolutely, CEO. It's an intelligent plan, and we can integrate with them.
So that we can make our company efficient one.
Yes, we can make our company efficient one through a BAAN system.
Okay, Mr. Deekshit. Let's arrange a meeting. Let's proceed with the meeting tomorrow.
Yes, we can arrange it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you tomorrow.
Yes, we can see tomorrow.
Hello, Mr.
Hello.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Please take this one. So, vendor from BAAN Corporation is here. So, let me brief our company's past, present, and future, and what we aim to achieve, so that he will get an idea and provide a better solution for us. Welcome to Archon Contractors. We just don't build infrastructure, we forge pathways to progress. From our humble beginnings to our ambitious future, let me take you to a journey through the history and evolution of our company. Founded in the year 1996, Archon Contractors started as a small team with a big dream to redefine the landscape of construction and manufacturing. Over these years, our dedication to quality, innovation, and sustainability has propelled us forward, earning us a reputation in excellence in road and building construction, as well as pioneering laboratory equipment for healthcare and chemical industries. Our vision is bold and clear: to be the leaders of change in our industries. We envision a future where projects not only stand as an image to our craftsmanship, testaments to our craftsmanship, but also serve as pillars of progress for communities and industries alike. To achieve this, our mission is twofold. First, to deliver exceptional results with every project. Next, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in construction and manufacturing. However, as we have grown, we have encountered a challenge that many successful companies face, that is, in operations. Our manufacturing, warehousing, and other functions operate on a separate mainframe systems, creating inefficiencies and barriers to seamless collaboration. That's why I am proud to announce that we are taking the next step towards our evolution. We are implementing ERP systems to integrate every aspect of our operation. This system will not only streamline our processes, but also enhance communication, efficiency, and ultimately our ability to deliver exceptional results. So as we stand here, I invite you to join us in this journey. Together, let's continue to forge the pathways to progress, shaping the future where Archon Contractors is synonymous with innovation, excellence, and sustainability. Thank you. you propose for this project? How much it cost for implementing ERP in our company?
So as you know, I suggest two software for you. One is BAAN, 4C, and one for BAAN front office. So I asking you 5.5 millions to this project.
I think 5.5 million is a bit high for implementing ERP companies like us. So let me hear opinion from my team.
Yeah.
Ms. Haritha, what do you think?
What he suggests is really high. I think
You are
some numbers near.
first one. Our answer. Okay.
So what he suggested is a little bit high. I think it should be numbers like 4 or something 4.5, 4.9 or 4.6. It should be great, sir.
Mr. Deekshit, as our business head, what do you think our budget is for this project?
I think our budget is near 4.505.
See, Mr. Alwin, our budget is a little bit low. Then you said it's like 4.5 million. So can you come down for that?
So when I come to this, as you all know, the sector is getting more.
Start.
So as you know, now the IT industry is getting now boosted. So as you know, our employees are working hard for the community base for such software. So we can deal with some negotiation to 5 something like that. So I think it's a option for this. But
Mr. Krishnaprasad, this budget will be used even after the implementation, that is to handle post-implementation issues. So, do you think is it enough for handling those issues?
yes, 5 is enough. 5 budget is enough.
So, you are saying that we have to increase our budget to 5 million.
Yeah, approximately.
So, Ms. Harishma, what do you think? Is this proposal right now, is it feasible for us?
So as I'm saying, ERP is something very risky. On the other hand, it's beneficial. So I think you can raise your budget to 5, maximum to 5, not more than that.
So, Mr. Alwin, I have decided to increase my budget to 5 million. So, what do you think? Can you come down to 5?
Yeah.
Because we hope that BAAN corporation can be a best solution for us, and I want to be a partner with you. So, what do you think?
Yeah, thanks for choosing us. So you can come with your solution. So I will increase my budget with 5 million. So I agree with that.
Will it be okay with your company?
Yeah, it's
to
okay.
negotiate.
Yeah, it's okay.
So it's a deal.
Yeah, it's a deal.
Let's say that. Guys, we have our business head, Mr. Deekshit over here. I'll let him brief about our company's situation and problems it is facing. Mr. Deekshit, please continue.
Good wishes to all. I am business head of Archon Contractors. We are Danish company. We operate all over the world. We employ 1,000 people in location around the world and manages approximately 8,000 products a year and collects revenue exceeding 1 million Danish kroner.
So, Mr. Deekshit, can you brief about the problems we are facing according to the system, previous system over here?
Yes. Phoenix was using Archon was using mainframe based application developed in the house to manage production, warehousing and other administrative functions in 1996. However, the company realized that this platform was not flexible enough to meet changing market demand and provide optimal access to information, and Archon needed a packaged enterprise resource plan evolution capable of growing with the company and adapting its evolving needs.
So it seems our problem is we have separate systems for each and every department and it is not efficient.
Yes, our
So
system is not
a
efficient.
viable solution will be using an ERP to integrate every system and make it as a singular and specific database which is accessible to everyone.
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Deekshit. We will discuss about it.
BPR process step by step. Can you please next step? Okay. So what is the objective of our company for setting up this system? That is, our company, one archive and one central database system. We need one database. So basically that is our objective, and what is our vision? We have to increase our efficiency. So for companies, improving the company's efficiency, we want one database so that we can improve efficiency. Next slide. So, okay. Next step is identifying the system. So what is our current system in our company? So what is the current system? You know, this is our management functions. These are connected with the database. So the manager, the top level manager has to come and collect information from these database, which is not possible and which takes much time than the actually needs. So it is time consuming process. Can we please move to the next one? So if you want to understand for every business, what we have basically do is we have to understand the current process or the current function system that is prevailing in that particular company. So our contractors, we are basically we do building works, building and development, transfer like chemical industries, biomedical industries. We are engaged in every field. So we get contract, we take contract. So after that, what we do is we check the availability with the inventory department. So if that particular material is available, then we proceed to machine availability. As we know, some contracts, they specify some materials which has to be available with us, and some machines we require to manufacture. Because we are contractors, we use semi goods, finished goods, all type of goods are being used with us. So we need for semi-finished goods, we have to process it again. So for that we need machines. So checking the availability of machines, then we jump into process. So there are a lot of process. As we are contractors, there are a lot of process. After going to the lots of process, then we move into our product, that final product. It can be a building, it can be a road, it can be anything. So that product is given to the contractor or the person or the client. Then what we do is, here you can see one point I have missed out is there is not a line between accounting, like purchase. If the machine or the inventory together. We want to purchase it. So it will be shown like this, and then we record it in Archon books and all. And the product, when the product is sent to the client, we comes with the sales department. We touch with the sales department, and after that, the CRM, as we have to maintain a proper customer relationship management with our clients and customers, as we have established in a lot more area. We are available nationwide. So that is for the understanding purpose of, this is the overall process which we are going through. So next slide please. So next one, the next one. Okay, before understanding the gap, we have to understand what is the current system and what is the system we are going to design. So this is the prototype of the design which the vendor or the ERP will suggest us. There is four, like these are the managerial functions and a database. We need a single database. That is our main objective. So for that, achieving that, we are using EP tools. In the previous slide, please. So that is the gap analysis which I came with. That is, we need a central-based data system. This is the database. Okay, next one. Okay, testing. This system, it is designed and it is tested by system integration method, which means the prototype of this particular system has been tested by the technological experts with our team and with the Alwin's team. They together test a particular system, and now it is being given into, it is actually being tested in our company at the moment, and we have tested it, and it has been clear that we are not finding any bugs or any type of error is not yet detected. So we want to sign this we will sign this agreement with Alwin, and our CEO sir will be signing this agreement. So after that, the implementation will be carried, like we need a proper, if we see, you can see that 2026 first quarter, by that we will be implementing it properly. The system will be properly established overall through the company. So that's with my presentation. If you have any doubts, you can ask.
So it seems you have restructured the entire process. So how are you going to ensure that it is efficient?
So as I said, my team and Alvin's team has been working together all this time, and we have tested.
So head of the training department is here, Ms. Harishma. Can you explain about how you are going to train this new ERP system?
Of course. Mainly, we are going to planning to conduct an interactive session with one of our employees, productive employees. Like from 100% of employees, we are going to take 20% of employees and train them off-job training job we will be conducting. And after off-job training, we will ask them to mentor the other employees so that it will not affect the production and the production will continue smoothly, and we can train the people, and all over the organization it will spread, the knowledge will be spreading. That's the main training program we are going to conduct, and all the planning and budgeting process I have reported to your mail, so you can check on it. And it's not much expensive of training, but it's cost time efficient and less cost. That's also. Thank you.
There is a volume going around regarding this new ERP system. How are you going to handle this situation?
So for that, we are going to conduct a campaign, like a pre-campaign section. In that, we will make them aware about the ERP, the importance of ERP, and how their work pressure may reduce through introducing an ERP in the organization. And at first, it is it is risky. It's riskier to implement ERP, as we all know, but we will make them understand the importance, its benefits, and how much it means value to our organization.
contributed to our organization. That's all, sir.
Thank you, Ms. Harishma. So let's see about how we are going to implement and since we are facing several issues regarding the implementation of the ERP system. So can you explain what are the issues we are facing now?
Yes, sir. We are facing some issues such as resistance to changes, integration challenges,
data migration problems, training needs. Those are the basic problems we are facing now. So also we have some rectification steps such as performance evaluation, user feedbacks, system testing are the steps we can rectify those problems.